Hello, I'm Ted Baehr, publisher of MovieGuide.org. The movie Quo Vadis is one of the great movies of all time, down there with Ben-Hur and some of the other biblical epics made during the golden age of Hollywood. It tells the story of a Roman centurion who comes back from conquering many lands to get a conquering welcome into Rome. While he's waiting to go into Rome, he falls in love with a girl who he thinks is a slave, but actually she's a Christian who's the daughter of a prince from another land. And therefore, their romance is doomed to failure because the evil Nero, played beautifully by Peter Ustinov, wants to kill all the Christians. This movie has faith, has values, has Peter in it, the Apostle Peter. It is a terrific movie, the movie Quo Vadis.
Sign that, and Roman justice will receive a blow from which it may never recover. Condemn these Christians, and you make martyrs of them, and ensure their immortality. Condemn them, and in the eyes of history, you condemn yourself.
When I have finished with these Christians, Petronius, history will not be sure that they ever existed.